Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our exact design of a four-bedroom duplex that we be able to start in the previous tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we were able to do this particular design from scratch. So we started the project by using project template and every other things like that. So if you have joining us for the first time, kindly look up to that to start from where we are stopping. And we told you that this is the part where we are going to. So and we are going to have something creative similar into this manner. So if you are new to Revit, so this is the opportunity for you to learn a basic aspect of modeling and architecture using Revit especially. So here is let's see the way it look like on the 3D and see. So this is the 3D aspect of what we have done. So in this particular project now, what we want to do is to create the upper floor before we now continue to develop them in a unique factor. So let us go to level 2. At the level 2, the traces of level 1 is going to be there. This house does not have any cantilever except from the front that have a little bit design, but for the side and every other thing is just a unique design, complete, have their own fashion of progressive expression. So now let us do something that will be more unifying to what we are talking about. So what do I do? So what I will start is that I will start with clicking architecture, then I will select my file. So from the file now I have to start drawing the whole wall, and let's bring the wall to an existence. So I have done this one. So the next one I close it up to. So this is the way the pattern is going. So I'm just going to follow some certain pattern and certain rule because that is the way I want to judge my design. So now I have this in place. So because of the structure, when you are doing things like that, you must make sure that some of those walls below are aligned with the upper one, because of you don't want any issue that we have contradiction. So this is the room template that have already been created. So here now I'm going to have 4 rooms at the upper floor. 4 rooms at the upper floor. This is what I want to create. So where is going to be the master room? Where is going to be the madam room? Where is going to be? So all those things are going to be sorted out, and most especially how is the staircase going to look like and things like that. So remember, we still have another level that is going after this one. So all those ones are going to be sorted out one after the other. So let us come and create what we have been talking about. So if you are used to the dimension from before, these are the dimension that's existing. So we still maintain the dimension no matter what the case may be. Sorry for that. So just like getting it done here, and then see how far the whole things look like. So that is the temporary dimension. Except when we want to do the whole unique factor, then we bring everything into detail. So now this is what we have here for now. The rooms, so they are going to be the balcony at this level. So all those are going to be taken care of by individual design. So the first thing we need to understand is that where is this staircase going to be? So I'm going to have the staircase here. Let's just quickly go back to the ground floor. So just need a little bit of annotates to do that, because I've never decided the kind of staircase I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the staircase differently. So this is the stair part. So I'm going to do that as a stair part, just like temporary for now, so that you see by the time we start creating it, it will be more easy for me now. So I have known that this is the this is the part in which my staircase is going to follow. It's an open staircase from the living room. Whoever in the sitting room will see how the staircase curve and see how the people are going up the upper floor. So I have done with this one, and let me go back to the upper floor where I'm creating my unique opportunity for design to be embraced. So what did I do here is I'm going to create this one and divide this room into the way it's supposed to be. So I have a room here, so I'm doing the same thing here as well. So what does that mean? So this particular is going to disappear. So I will have this one breaking into 2, then 1 so align to this, the second one to align to this. So that is it for this particular project. So what else do I need now is that I have to align this one so that we meet up with what I have them for. So the thing I need to do, because some of this project needs whenever you come to upper floor, you need to understand your particular some certain principle, like the opening, so that everything is going to be not going to be conflicting each other. So like this one now, I have to align it here. Let it be aligned so that I'll be able to align, because I need space to work with at this upper floor. So now I will drag this one. It will come down straight to this position. So when you come to that, I'm going to align this so that I have the fitting part. So good. So I have here now a bigger area to work with, so move it a bit to this position, align this one to this here too. So I'm having this in a wonderful arrangement. So what does this mean? I will reduce this one and take it off from here, because this is a different bedroom, entirely have its own space to be used. So this is entrance to that position. So what will I going to do to this one? So I'm going to work on them one after the other. So I have gotten this into space, so I'm going to define this and say, okay, I want to have good. So I'm creating this one. Why? I need to have one of these two. I have to get back on, because of what's going on the down floor. Somebody who is in this room can be able to see someone in the living room, so I mean in the pool area. So I'm going to do this. So I've created that one, and you've seen it. So the dimension here is the dimension, so if you are following, so you don't get confused. So this is it. Now I have this one in place now. So the next thing I need to do is to create a, for the madam side, what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create this one, click here and create this is the bed part. So here it's going to be another part, and then I'm going to have for, so let me just say it's not needed like that. So let's just say I create this one halfway to the entrance. So I'm going to have that like that, like a simple position where things like that can happen. So get the dimension now and see, this is the toilet and bath. So this one is a closet, and this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Now I have this bedroom in place. I have how many rooms now? 1, 2, 3 in position. So click here and bring the template for bed, so that you make sure that you have the bed templates situated here. So click, good. So do the same thing here as well. So put it here. So put it here too. So if you see the way I'm rotating, I'm just pressing space bar. So space bar also, if you pick a template when you are pressing space bar, so the template is going to be rotating. That is the unique form of a Revit. So if you're seeing it rotating like that, you're wondering what am I pressing. So that's what I'm pressing. So I have to pay, so I need to create the last bedroom, which is this particular one. I'm going to do that by clicking here and say, and I will put this here. Good. So I'm going to have something unique factor. So this one is still subjected to what? To editing. The reason is that I've not designed the staircase, which is something that we're going to do in our next tutorial. But I just want to get the room down so that you will see I've already programmed where I want to put the staircase. So that will be the factors that will determine whether this particular room is still going to have what adjustment or not. So when you click that, so just give it temporary dimension and see, and so ever, so you'll be able to work on that. Good. So this is it. So I have this whole space arranged for myself now. This is the upper floor, which is factor into the position of the building. So this is the surface area where the circulation and everything is going to come place. This is not going to be enclosed. So what are those things that I've done here? I have a balcony here. So this one is going to serve as a bedroom for madam. This is master bedroom. So both of them share balcony at the front. So that is why you are seeing this particular place as the balcony for the both madams and the master bedroom. So for we have children, they have their own balcony at the back here, so that is why this one is there. So this is the toilet and bath for the children because it's bigger in this way, so that because they have jacuzzi, you know, children like swim, so jacuzzi, the kind of jacuzzi that's going to be in this bedroom and bath. So this is another bedroom for whosoever, maybe the uncle, sister, whatsoever, or the senior man among them can take his own particular room, or they are boys and girls differently, they decide to do so what they want to do in the house. So that is what we have here. So let me put the doors into the position where the door is supposed to be. So here and here. So the door will be here and the door will be here. The door will be here and another door to be here and another door to be here. Then the door to lead to outside and the door to stay within. So these are the arrangement that we have for now on this particular project. So the remaining one will going to be done step by step. So we have created this one for everybody to see. So if you follow this through, you are not going to miss anything. So if you have underlay here, you don't want to see the underlay, you can just click on none and this one will disappear. So you have the whole plan in our system. So what do you do next? You can just like clicking and say architecture, then come to floor and say architecture from the floor, and draw this completely and put it here. So you follow the same step like that. So it's when we are designing this one, we're going to open the slab and we have this shaft where the staircase is going to pass through and link the upper floor. So there is the whole things for now. That is what we have as a design that we can work on. So good. So you can work on this one. So to see you in the next tutorial where we are going to continue progressing step by step to develop this. So we are not going to leave the Excel design for now until we complete this project as it may be. So God bless you as you watch.